Action Committee against doubling of the South Western Railway have called on me and they have submitted a memorandum. They feel that injustice and lots of harassment is being done to the villagers for doubling of that South Western Railway tracks. In fact, their MLA has also expressed their support to the cause. I believe that when the elected representatives also say that they do not wish to have such type of a project, the government should listen to them. They should reconsider. I am told by them that they had a meeting with the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has promised them to look into the matter and ordered that they should have a joint inspection with the survey team, which they are supposed to do it on 7th. We will see what happens.
Orville Doradel Rodriguez, Chairman of the Villager Action Committee against the doubling of the railway tracks, Southwestern Railway tracks, and we are here today to submit our memorandum to our Honorable Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Digambar Kamath, requesting for his help and assistance in stopping this unwarranted destruction of Goa that will be caused on account of the doubling of the railway tracks. The requirement of the coal requirement for the thermal power projects in the hinterland of Karnataka is mind-boggling 56 million tons per annum, and currently each railway track is transporting 11 to 12 million tons per annum. So you can understand it is not only doubling, maybe they will have 4 tracks ultimately, to pass through it, through this Southwestern Railway. So I'm appealing to all concerned, don't think that is the issue that is limited only to Kansalim, Arosim, or Isorchi, or Pali, or Daboli. No, it is the matter is for all of South Goa, including the people who are residing on both sides of the river banks of Mandovi, Zuari, Betur, Talpona, all these rivers, because it's coming, the nationalization of rivers will be the next step, because the total requirement will not suffice by railways alone. It will be also through the inland waterways. So I appeal to all Goans, irrespective of political affiliations or your whatever, leave your egoist side, join the movement to stop this coal mafia. Tomorrow there is a scheduled inspection of the affected areas, starting off from the Kansalni railway station, and we don't know which side, whether they will be proceeding to ROC or Velsang, Isorchi areas. This resurvey of the areas is on the orders of the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, wherein he wants to understand what are the affected areas, what will be the destruction caused. In his own terms, he said he wants a survey done meter by meter on plans, on 1:5,000 scale plans. So we are expecting the PWD of Goa, the survey department, also to be present during this resurvey.